What's up guys, this is how to get professional dashboard on Instagram. If you are a content creator or a business owner, you may need some advanced tools to promote yourself, and in this case Instagram professional dashboard is really what you need. So go to your profile, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and then tap on three lines at the top right to enter settings, then scroll down almost all the way down until you see for professionals section and tap on account type and tools. Then switch to professional account. Here you see some benefits of the professional account. Tap on next and select your activity type. If you don't see a suitable option here, use this search bar to find what you need, but let me just select from this list. Let me be writer. Switch to professional accounts. And what type of professional are you, creator or business? I am creator so far. Tap on next. If you're using a lot of accounts from the same device, you can unify them to one account center to simplify login process. So I'm tapping note now, and here you can just close this page or follow this guide to set up your professional account. So now right in your profile page you can tap on professional dashboard and find a lot of tools and insights here for your promotion. Hope this was helpful guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.